Good morning, everybody. Hope you all fine. This is Kamala Ramesh. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the blending of letters. How two consonants are blended to form one single sound, and I will discuss it with some examples. If you all want to watch more videos on grammar, you can subscribe and give a like so that you can watch the upcoming new videos. Shall we start? Okay. Now, here you can see blending of C plus C rule. What is C plus C rule? C is a consonant plus a consonant. When two consonants are blended, they form one single sound. So, two consonants are blended to form one single sound. Let us see which are those examples where two consonants are blended to form one single sound. Now you can watch BL. B is a consonant, L is a consonant. So, these two letters are blended together and made one sound, B and L. B, L, B, L, bla, bla, K, L, kla, kla, F, L, fla, G, L, gla, P, L, fla, S, L, sla. Now, these are some of the examples where you combine the consonants and form one single sound. For example, bla, cla, fla, gla, pla, sla. Right? Now, you have some more which gives a very different kind of sound. For example, let us see and H. Let us see and H. C is a consonant, H is a consonant. So when we combine these two consonants, you get a new sound called cha. Called cha. Another example, S, H. S, H. You get a new sound, sh. You get a new sound, sh. P, H. When these two consonants are combined or blend, we get a new sound, f. F. T, H. T, H. Dh. Dh. Okay, once again I will repeat the sounds. Bl, cl, fl, gl, pl, sl. We have very different sound. Ch, sh, f, th. Now let us see some of the very simple examples, because children can't catch up the big words. So I have given very small words for examples. Bla, bla. Words beginning with bla. Black, blink, blue, blind, blade, blade, black, blank. Once again I will read. Black, blink, blue, blind, blade, blade, blank. Okay? Blank. Now, cla. Sound, cla. Click, clock, clever, clip, clipping, close, cla, cla. So, You see, here we used blah, 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 blah. In the second example, you see club, click, club, 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 clever, club, clip, club, clipping, club, close. Okay? Now, flood, 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 add, flag, flood, oh, flow, flood, ush, flush, flood, out, flower, flood, ash, flash, flood, oat, float, flood, flag, flow, flush, flower, flash, float. Now, GL, glow, glow, GL, glow, glow, oh, glow, glow, oh, glow, glow, add, glad, glow, ass, glass, glow, ace, glaze, glow, air, glare, glow, glow, glad, glass, glaze, glare. Okay? The next sound, plug. The next sound is plug. Plug, aim, plane. Plug, ace, place. Plug, ank, plank. Plug, eight, plate. Plug, a, play. Plug, a, toe, play, toe. I'll read once again. Plane, place, plank, plate, play, plateau. The next sound, slug. S-L, slug. Slug, oh, slow. Slug, slim. Slug, eat, sleep. Slug, ant, slant. Slug, its, slits. Slug, ip, slip. Slow, slim, sleep, slant, slit, slip. Now, you have a very different sound here. CH, ch. The sound of CH is ch. Combining two consonants, forming one single sound, ch. Ch, air, chair. Ch, air, chair. Ch, arc, chalk. Ch, est, chest. Ch, am, champ. Ch, eat, cheat. Chair, chain, chalk, chest, champ, cheat. So these are the words starting from the sound ch. The next sound is combining two components, two consonants and forming one single sound, sh. Sh. S-H, sh. Sh, up, shop. Sh, hip, ship. Sh, ein, shine. Sh, earth, shut, air, share, earth, shut, shampoo. I'll read these words again. Shop, ship, shine, short, share, shut, shampoo. Okay? See the next consonants. Two consonants combined to form one sound. PH, f, photo, phone, phonic, face, philosophy. I'll read the words now. Photo, phone, phonic, face, philosophy. Now you have another two consonants, T and H. T and H, the. TH, the. Now, the is this. The at that. The and them. The O's those. The air their. The is these. Now let us see how to read these words. This